LED light bars and backlight/rim lighting kits have evolved from simple accent lighting to purpose-built performance tools for gaming setups, off-road illumination, and vehicle visibility. This comparison focuses on 5 notable options within a shared price band, $29.99 to $37.88, that represent a mix of consumer-grade ambient/backlighting, GOVI, and rugged off-road lighting, Nilight and NowEvo.
List number 1. GOVI Smart LED Light Bars. GOVI's H6056 kit delivers RGB ICWW backlighting designed for monitors up to 45 inches, leveraging 16 million colors and a dedicated white channel, WW, for a richer perceived brightness. The design emphasizes ambient room integration rather than vehicle lighting, with a built-in high-sensitivity mic to sync to audio and a Wi-Fi-based app and voice control ecosystem, Alexa or Google Assistant. The kit ships with 2 rectangular light bars, mounting options, and a long 106-inch cord, making it flexible for TV desks and computer setups. The color separation and DIY scene potential via the Light Studio offer a high degree of personalization at a modest price point. In practice, the RGB ICWW segmentation enables individual bar control for vivid scene creation, which is beneficial for gaming mood lighting or streaming setups. The lack of a separate hub simplifies the ecosystem but can introduce marginal latency when controlling across multiple rooms or devices. However, for desktop and monitor use, the responsiveness is generally adequate. Brightness is sufficient for dim to moderate ambient lighting, and the 350 lumen output per light bar is appropriate for indoor decor rather than task illumination. The absence of waterproofing and outdoor-grade components is expected at this price, so use is limited to indoor environments. Prospective buyers should ensure compatibility with their monitor size and verify cord routing to avoid clutter.
List number 2. Nilight 42-inch 240-watt curved light bar spot flood. Nilight's 42-inch curved light bar kit is a purpose-built off-road lighting solution emphasizing durability and broad compatibility. With a curved panel design, it combines spot and flood beams to deliver longer range distance along with wide area illumination, suitable for truck beds, roofs, or bumpers. The kit includes a 14 AWG wiring harness with relay and a 5-pin rocker switch, aligning with 12-volt vehicle electrical standards and offering up to 300-watt load capacity. The construction uses aluminum housing for heat dissipation and a robust mounting approach for rough terrain. In use, the 240-watt output and curved beam provide a practical balance between distance and coverage, making it a strong all-around choice for night driving or trail work. The inclusion of a full wiring harness reduces install friction, though buyers should verify compatibility with their vehicle's electrical system and dimming requirements. Heat management through aluminum fins helps extend life in hot environments, but the overall weight, around 9 pounds, and size require a sturdy mounting surface. The 2-year warranty adds confidence for buyers who plan to rely on it for regular off-road use.
Nilight's 52-inch Mega Light Bar combo pairs a large main bar with 2 18-watt auxiliary pods, delivering a substantial amount of light with combined spot and flood capabilities. The standouts are the long-range punch of the main 52-inch bar and the supplementary pods that fill foreground lighting, which is useful for heavy off-road use, emergency vehicles, or oversized vehicles requiring broad coverage. It ships with a dedicated wiring harness and 3 lead control possibilities, enabling baseline control over multiple light components. In operation, the 52-inch primary beam provides significant reach, but the package demands careful installation due to its size and weight. The 6000 K color temperature is standard for driving lights, and the 30,000 lumen total output sets a high contrast field for night driving. Reliability hinges on weather sealing and rugged mounting hardware, which Nilight typically addresses with IP-rated housings and sturdy brackets. The price point is not listed, so value must be assessed against similar-sized assemblies and supported warranty.
List number 4. Nilight LED Light Bar 42-inch 240-watt Spot Flood Combo Driving Lamp, Roof Bumper Off-Road Lights, LED Work Light Pods for trucks, pickup, SUV, ATV, UTV, boat, 4x4, van, camper. This Nylite 42-inch kit emphasizes versatility for off-road and work vehicle use, delivering a balanced mix of spot and flood beams in a rugged package. The IP67 waterproof rating suggests resilience against water and dust ingress, and the 240-watt rating understates a daily driving light approach, suitable for trucks, vans, and recreational vehicles. The set includes a main bar and mounting brackets with a focus on universal fitment and durable construction for rough terrain. In practice, the IP67 rating and die-cast aluminum housing support reliable performance in adverse weather. Heat management through effective venting and lens durability helps sustain lumen output in extended runs. The 46 by 5 by 5-inch footprint is travel-friendly for many SUVs and trucks, but installers should plan mounting angles and clearance for rooflines or bumpers. The product is practical for owners who want an affordable, mid-range off-road light with straightforward install from Nylite.
List number 5. NAEVO 12-inch light bar. NAEVO's 12-inch main bar plus 4 4-inch pods form a high-output, multi-beam system designed for trucks, UTVs, ATVs, and boats. With a quoted 54,000 lumens and a triple-row configuration, the kit emphasizes a focused 15-degree spotlight and a wide 120-degree flood, supported by 10 cooling fans behind the backplate for heat management. The housing is die-cast aluminum with IP68 sealing, indicating durability in wet and dusty environments. The kit is sold as a complete front lighting solution with a 1-year warranty and a bundled approach to upgrading visibility. In use, the 54,000 lumen claim positions this kit at the higher end of consumer off-road lighting. Real-world results depend on beam alignment, reflector efficiency, and the quality of the power source. The 12-inch bar with pods means installation flexibility, but requires careful integration to avoid wiring conflicts and to maintain a cohesive look on the vehicle. Heat management via multiple cooling fans and the aluminum housing should help sustain lumen output during long drives, but owners should consider protective covers and weatherproofing for extreme conditions.